Gizmo. Yeah, you're brand new to this room. What do you think about the other kitties? It's a little scary right now, isn't it? Yeah, but these are nice kitties in here. These kitties aren't going to hurt you. You can just stay in the tube until you feel comfortable. Yeah, that's okay. You're a tiny little kitty. Hi. No, nobody here's going to hurt you. The other kitties in this room are very gentle kitties. You got a very cute name, Gizmo. I know, everything's so brand new, it takes a while, doesn't it? Did you hear another cat? Yes, you're in a room with other cats. Is that okay? It's okay. Okay, you feel that you just feel safe in this tube. That's a good thing, Gizmo. Yeah. Yeah. And then you go find a home. Oh, the sweetie. Oh, sweetie. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye, Gizmo. Bye-bye.